If you're looking to export task data from teamwork.com, you're in the right place. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to get your task data out of Teamwork and into a format that you can use for analysis, reporting, or further processing. Stick with me till the end, and I'll also tell you about an exclusive deal to use this software for free. To start exporting task data, you'll first need to log in to your Teamwork account. Once you're in, head over to your project dashboard. It's important to note that exporting task data is only available if you have the correct permissions in your Teamwork account, so make sure you have access to the project you want to export from. Next, click on the Tasks section in the project menu. This will bring up all the tasks for that project. You can filter your tasks by various criteria like due date, task status, or assigned user to narrow down exactly what data you want to export. This feature is really handy if you're looking to only export completed tasks or tasks assigned to a specific team member. Once you've got the right tasks on the screen, look for the Export button in the top right corner of the task list. Click on it and you'll see a few options pop up. You can choose to export your task data as either a CSV or Excel file. For most people, the CSV format is the easiest to handle, especially if you want to open the data in programs like Google Sheets or Excel. When you select your export option, Teamwork will automatically generate the file with all the task data you've selected. Depending on the size of the project, it may take a few seconds to download. Once it's ready, you'll have a full export of your tasks, including details like task name, description, assignees, start and due dates, and status. Now, if you want even more detailed data or a custom view, Teamwork also lets you adjust the columns shown in the export. You can customize the report to include additional fields like task priorities, time logged, or even tags if you've been organizing tasks with them. Just make sure you double check your columns before finalizing the export. If you need to regularly export task data, Teamwork also has options for automating reports and scheduling exports on a recurring basis. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing a lot of projects and need the data for weekly or monthly reporting. Before we wrap up, here's a great tip. If you're looking to make your exports even more powerful, you can integrate Teamwork with other tools like Zapier or use the API to pull data into more custom workflows. This can really help automate your processes and save you hours on manual data handling. As I mentioned at the start, Teamwork offers an exclusive deal for new users, giving you access to their platform for free with additional bonuses. So, if you're new to Teamwork or just looking to upgrade your plan, check out the link below to claim your extended free trial and see how Teamwork can help streamline your project management tasks. That's it for today's quick tutorial on exporting task data from teamwork.com. Keep your workflow organized and efficient by making the most out of Teamwork's export options, and don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching.